Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Myers, and I'm here with my patient Bernice, who is 3 months out from a combined regenerative procedure for bilateral knee arthritis and a meniscus tear in her left knee. Before we talk to her, we're going to take a quick look at her imaging studies. Okay, so looking at her imaging studies, here we're looking at her x-rays. This is her right knee and this is her left knee, and you can see that she has some moderate joint space loss on the inside of her left knee, indicating arthritis. Looking at her MRI, this is the inside of the knee, and she has some pretty notable tearing of her meniscus. The meniscus should be a nice black triangle, but she has this bright signal going through the meniscus indicating tearing of the meniscus. And she also has some areas of bright change going on in the bone above and below the joint, where she has some bone edema, swelling in the bone, arthritic change going on in the bone, which we treated with PRP injections into the bone. Don't worry, she was asleep for that part. So, take me back to before procedure. What kind of issues were you having with your knees?
Lots of pain. Couldn't hardly get up, move around. After being maybe asleep in the bed, have to get up during the night. Take me a minute to get started. I was having to take pain pills to get through the day, and it just wasn't fun.
How bad were the pain symptoms prior to treatment?
I'd say around 9, and sometimes at night it would be a 10. It was excruciating.
So how did you come to the decision of doing regenerative medicine for your treatment?
Well, I was actually in Las Vegas, and my hairdresser said, you ought to look into stem cell. And he had told me about his dad. So when I got home, I got on Google, and I found you. And I called the next day, made an appointment, and here we are.
So here we are 3 months out from procedure. We've done stem cell to both of your knees along with PRP treatment into some issues in the bone of your left knee.
Exactly.
How are you doing? How are things going?
I am doing wonderful. I'm absolutely doing wonderful. I've been able to go places, walk, get back into shoes that I love to wear, and it's just been a life-changing event for me.
So thinking about now compared to before treatment, are you 50, 80, 90, 98% better? How much improvement have you had?
I am 98% better than I was.
Fantastic. So thinking about this procedure, would you recommend this to friends and family?
I do already.
Well, thank you so much for sharing your experience.
And thank you.